While strolling through the lively streets of Nizwa and soaking up the magical atmosphere of Nizwa Souq at night, I came across something unexpected. A gun store. Now, for someone like me who only sees guns in movies, stepping into a place like this was mind-blowing. I initially thought the souk only displayed historical weapons and beautiful antiques. But surprise, they actually sell airguns and even real firearms here, but only to locals. The store is a hidden gem for gun enthusiasts and curious explorers alike. Even if you're just wandering around with no particular plan, this shop is worth checking out. Trust me, you'll leave with a story to tell. Have you ever stumbled upon something completely unexpected like this on your travels? Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. Your support means the world. Thanks so much for watching.
Is this air gun or real gun? Real gun, huh? But who's buying this? Who's buying this? Like normal people buying it? For Omani.